Hi people! Today we're here at Time Zone Gateway Mall to experience their party package with my friends. Let's go! State your name and then one thing that describes you.
Wemi po. Paos.
Zel. Ganda. Yes! Yes! Sino ko
I'm Steve. I can describe myself as cute.
Here at Time Zone, you can celebrate any special events like me for hitting 1.6 million on TikTok, which I'm very thankful for you guys. They offer a party package that includes fun activities available only here at Time Zone.
Yung hinahati kami sa 2 groups. Group 1.
Guys, Time Zone din pala offers this Christmas Star package na pwede for minimum of 15 packs, and then meron na kayong 30 minutes unlimited play, o diba? Meron na din kayong event host, and then 45-minute use of the function room. Plus, the power card with 1,000 pesos load, meron na din kayong food and drinks, discount voucher, and lastly, syempre, hindi mawawala yung Christmas decorations. This party is hindi lang for kids, pero for kids at heart din. Super energetic talaga ng atmosphere here that will guarantee you to have a really fun and memorable time with your family and friends.
After ilang years. It's so fun! Kaso pa na yung right yung tama ko sa bowling kasi I'm always right. Okay, next game tayo, basketball. Pakita ko yung basketball. Huwag ka. Pakita ko yung basketball. Ako na shoot! Nakakapawis pala maglaro sa arcade, pero super fun. So guys, tapos na yung turn ko. I'm waiting for my teammates to finish. And 1-1 yung score namin. Kasi kanina nanalo kami sa bowling. Yung team 1. And then nanalo yung team 2 sa... Ano yun? Hockey. Yun. And then basketball ngayon. Wala pang scores pero... Siyempre kami na yun. Kamusta?
Well, andito si Steve Nash. Pag basketball usapan.
Tumira ng 3. I miss you best.
Bali, ito, mga to is ticket games. Pero huwag kayo mag-alala kasi wala siyang lalabas na ticket. Pero automatic each card have a 400 e-tickets inside. Bibigay ko sa inyo. Pero yung kay Ma'am Lian po is merong 1,200 tickets. Kasi kayo po ang nag-celebrate ngayon. Sa inyo.
Wait, yes.
Main drifter. Main drifter.
Wait, beats music. Wait, beats music. Wait, beats music.
Hey! Ang masasabi ko ay ang galing ko sa bowling. Don't replay the last game now.
Wait, beats music. Ten, 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 ten. Happy, happy birthday.
Kakatapos lang po ng 1 hour na paglalaro namin and we're back to party room to eat.
Ten, ten, ten. Sorry. Wait, beats music.
Once again po, batiin ulit natin ang congratulations si Ma'am Lea ni Nakautat si Congratulations, Lea! Alright, bali, itong voucher na to is kasama po siya sa binibigay kapag nag-book kayo ng party kay Time Zone. Then ito po is ang una is 50% off. Ito pong kabila is magbabayad kayo ng 500. Then ang darating na load sa card nyo is 1,000. Then yung kabila naman po, once po na nag-party kayo ulit sa amin, ipapresent nyo lang po ito. Instead na 11 person yung babayaran, 10 person na lang po. Pero may free na isa. So 11 pa rin po yung pasok doon sa i-book nyo. Then ito po is, valid po siya ng 60 days kahit sa Time Zone. I-represent nyo lang po ito pag gagamitin nyo na sa kahit sa branch. Valid 12 packs kayo ma'am, 12 packs din po yung ibigay. Once again po, maraming salamat sa pagpili kay Time Zone ng celebration po dito. Hanggang po kayo bumalik anytime sa ating venue. Para kung pati nyo po ay congratulations ma'am.
So we're done now playing and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed playing. I want to say thank you so much for Time Zone Gateway 2 for this opportunity. I had so much fun with my friends and my ates and kuyas, and I hope na magkaroon ulit ng many other fun activities soon, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye people!